Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to log into your Bitget Wallet account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already gone to bitget.com. In case you have not, go to it right now. Now let's simply look at how to log in. At the top right next to sign up, you can see the login button right here. Click on it. But in case you want to create an account, hit on sign up. Once you click on login, you will be redirected to this page. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply enter your email address right here and click on verify. Or else what you can do is simply scan this QR code from your Bitget mobile application. Right now, as you can see, I have already entered my details, so I'm simply gonna click on verify. Well, denote that you can simply switch with password login button right here. If you click on this, you just have to enter the password. I clicked on it. Now I'm just gonna enter my password right here. As you can see, I have entered my password. It is okay with me, so I'm simply gonna hit on login. Well, denote that in case you forgot your password, click on this button right here that says forgot your password and just follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. But for now, simply hit on login. That's it guys. Once you do, a verification code will be sent to the registered email address. Simply go to Gmail right now and copy the code right here. Well, I'm gonna copy the code right here, and guys, that is it. As you can see, we have signed in to our account. That's the gist of it guys. That's how we sign in to your Bitget wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.